Try to find that posture in which you can keep your spine straight, but also you can let go of any effort. If it's more comfortable, you can put a cushion or something to lay your back on. And let's scan from top to bottom our bodies, releasing and relaxing with each out breath. Relax the muscles around the eyes, your forehead, your jaws. Keep the tip of the tongue behind the upper teeth. Relax your shoulders and all the emotional and mental weight we carry in that area as well. Keep some space between your arms and your torso. Let your hands be comfortably relaxed on your legs or your lap. Your palms up or down, wherever is more comfortable. If you're in a chair, keep your legs parallel. Send all the tension to the ground. Keep the soles of your feet on the ground. If you're on a cushion, make sure your knees are stable and you're not making effort to keep them relaxed. Now take 3 deep breaths, and with each out breath release any mental tension, concerns about the past, the future. Allow your mind to settle in the present, releasing any mental concerns, worries. Allowing your mind to rest in the present, no distraction, allowing thoughts to arise and pass. Now take 3 deep breaths, releasing an emotional tension. And allowing it to be there without grasping, taking distance from it, observing how it manifests temporarily in the space of your mind, maybe with a correlation in your body. Just being aware of this without grasping to thoughts related to those emotions. It's a way to let them liberate by themselves, without repressing, without pushing them away. Now let your breath take its natural rhythm without controlling it, modifying it in any way. Just be present with it. Let your body regulate the breath. Take your ego out of control and monitoring the flow of awareness in a rested, mindful state, but without intentionally doing anything. Keep relaxing with each out breath and keep increasing the vividness, lucidness, clarity of your mind with each in-breath. Finding that middle point in which you can flow in the present, connected to the breath, without getting distracted, without falling into dullness or sleepiness. Dwelling in the present with each full cycle of in-breath and out-breath. find your mind very discursive, you can count breaths. Continue focusing on the breath, noticing the sensations of the breath throughout your body or any specific area. It can be the abdomen or the nostril. You can even decide to focus only on the space of the mind and mental events, or practice Shamatha without a sign, without focusing on a particular object, but just aware of being aware moment by moment, without distraction, without grasping, cultivating relaxation, stability, and clarity. Any perception that arises to your awareness, just notice it, let it pass, and continue on your chosen object. Now that our mind is more relaxed, more vivid, more present, and our body has also find that stillness and relaxation. First, cultivating a meaningful motivation to this practice for developing greater wisdom, understanding of reality, in order to live a more mindful, meaningful life that can impact not only our benefit, but also those around us that we can benefit, everybody we enter into contact with. And with this motivation, let's do the practice of transforming attachment. So we're going to be bringing to mind memories, examples of our own life, and whatever comes to mind, think of an object of your attachment. It can be a person, a thing, a situation. It can be recent or something from the past. Try that example so we can work with it. Have it clearly in your mind. Object, situation, person, and how you feel towards it. It can also be something that you don't have but you would like to possess. And now ask yourself if this thing, person, situation will bring you lasting happiness and satisfaction. Just ask the question and see what comes to mind. that things are impermanent. People, even ourselves, everything is changing moment by moment. So how can this thing, person, situation, or whatever you're attached to, can bring you lasting happiness and satisfaction if by nature is changing? What new problems could arise? Does it or any external person or thing have the ability to bring you lasting happiness? Recognize how we constantly looking for external things, situations, objects, people to give us that lasting happiness. How again and again we find disappointment. Reflecting on this point is like an antidote for our attachment. The moment you recognize cannot bring you lasting happiness and satisfaction, you start releasing that strong attachment. Now the second point is, if you separate from this object, this person, this situation, what is the worst thing that could happen? Is that likely to happen? In the case you separate from this object of attachment, what resources, internal and in the community, can help you deal with the situation? Now look back at the thing, person, situation, etc. Imagining that you are now separated from it. And rejoice at the time you had together. Visualize a future with optimism, where even if you don't have this object, attachment, you can be happy. Now imagine giving the thing or the person to someone else who receives it with joy. And with a joyful mind, imagine that this person takes this object, person, situation, but you feel free to give it as an act of generosity. You're free of your attachment. Visualize yourself happy, free, balanced. Now just rest in awareness for a few minutes, allowing this reflection, this contemplation to go deep into your heart. Just rest in spacious awareness, present without grasping to any appearances. Just rest. Dedicating this practice so that we can continue becoming aware of our attachments and working with transforming any attachments we have to be free, and to do this not only for our benefit but for the benefit of all those around. And slowly bring back your mind to this space, to this meeting. I recommend listening to the following episode where we discuss this meditation's topic.